Welcome to our channel Modern Agriculture. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of turkey breeds, economic parameters, management practices, and more. Turkey farming is a rewarding venture with its unique challenges and exciting rewards. Join us on this informative journey as we uncover the secrets to successful turkey farming in India. Turkey breeds in India. India boasts a variety of turkey breeds, each with its distinct characteristics and suitability to different climatic conditions. Among them, we have the broad-breasted bronze, known for its black plumage color and early sex determination. The broad-breasted white, a cross between the broad-breasted bronze and white Holland, is renowned for its heat tolerance and clean appearance. Meanwhile, the Beltsville small white is a smaller-sized breed with higher egg production and lower broodiness. Finally, the Nandanam turkey, a unique crossbreed, thrives in Tamil Nadu's climatic conditions. Economic parameters. To ensure optimal productivity, understanding the economic parameters of turkey farming is crucial. The male-to-female ratio, typically 1:5, sets the stage for successful breeding. Turkeys attain sexual maturity at around 30 weeks, and during their 24-week egg production period, they can lay an impressive 80 to 100 eggs. The incubation period spans 28 days. An average egg weight is about 65 grams. Young turkey poults weigh approximately 50 grams at day old, with marketable weights of 7.5 kilograms for males and 5.5 kilograms for females. Incubation and brooding practices. Incubation plays a vital role in the successful development of turkey eggs. Farmers can opt for either natural incubation with broody hens or artificial incubation using incubators. During the brooding period, lasting from 0 to 4 weeks, young turkeys require adequate space, litter material, and a consistent heat source. Infrared bulbs or gas brooders are commonly used to provide the necessary warmth, ensuring healthy and robust young ones. Turkey rearing systems. Turkey farming can be approached through free-range or intensive systems. In the free-range system, turkeys roam freely, reducing feed costs and requiring less investment. On the other hand, the intensive system offers improved management and disease control, enhancing overall production efficiency. Farmers provide suitable housing, feed, and health cover based on the chosen rearing system. Feeding management. Feeding turkeys requires careful attention to meet their high energy, protein, vitamin, and mineral needs. Proper feeding significantly impacts turkey growth and health. Our farmers use mash feeding and pellet feeding methods, ensuring turkeys receive balanced and nutritious meals. Additionally, green feeding is adopted to reduce feed costs and improve overall health. Breeding practices. Breeding turkeys can be accomplished through either natural mating or artificial insemination. In natural mating, farmers carefully maintain the male-to-female ratio, regularly replacing adult males to prevent affinity towards specific females. On the other hand, artificial insemination ensures consistent fertility throughout the breeding season, enhancing overall flock performance. Common diseases and prevention. Like any farming endeavor, turkey farming faces disease challenges. Common diseases include aeruginosis, chronic respiratory disease, fowl cholera, fowl pox, and more. However, our farmers prioritize prevention through vaccination, flock sanitation, and strict management practices. These efforts help maintain healthy and disease-free turkey flocks. Turkey meat and egg. Turkey meat is gaining popularity among health-conscious consumers due to its lean nature and rich nutrient content. Turkey eggs, known for their unique pointed shape and strong shells, are a prized delicacy. Farmers adhere to proper feeding, housing, and management practices to ensure the production of high-quality turkey meat and eggs. Market and profitability. Turkey farming offers excellent market potential, with demand rising for lean meat and unique eggs. Farmers can achieve profitability by adopting efficient rearing practices, optimizing feed management, and providing excellent care to their flocks. A well-managed turkey farm can be a lucrative venture. From selecting the right breed to implementing efficient management practices, our farmers are reaping the rewards of their hard work. We hope this journey has been informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or experiences to share, please leave a comment below. Thank you all for joining us today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on agriculture and farming in India. See you in the next video.